Hello, thanks for stopping by. Bjorn here. Got something different for you. Hello, thanks for stopping by. Bjorn here. Something different today, not music, but a little bit of theater.
Hey, hon,
What?
if I go before you, will you get married again?
Yeah.
Well, will she live in this house?
Yeah.
Or will she sleep in our bed?
Yeah.
Will she wear my clothes?
No.
Well, why?
She's not your size.